friend, it's Jackie. I am here with my hubby Matt, and we are out on a date night. Date night, I've said it before, is like my literal favorite time to be an intermittent faster because I don't have to consider points, calories, carbs, macros, anything when we're choosing a restaurant. I don't have to consider what I'm going to get on the menu based on any diet restrictions. I just am free to enjoy. And we're going to a local restaurant that I've never tried, but I've heard really good things. And I think we're going to do appetizer, entree, and maybe even dessert. So we are pulling in right now, and I'm very excited to get this one meal a day underway. Okay, I'm going to open my window at 20 hours and 10 minutes of fasting. We got a pretzel with cheese, with beer cheese to share. And I got a Brussels sprout, bacon, goat cheese pizza for my dinner. And a water to drink. No beer for me today. What are you doing? So we finished dinner, it was delicious, and then we stopped at our favorite donut store and we got apple fritters that I think are literally the size of my head. Let's check. I don't know. Do you think I'll be able to eat the whole thing? So I gave it my all, but I just closed my eating window. It was 44 minutes from dinner start to devouring what I could of this fritter. Very delicious, very satisfying meal. Obviously, I don't eat like this every single day, even though I think my fantasies are made of every meal being like this. I had a wonderful date night. Now my husband and I are going to what every married person does on a date. We're going to a home improvement store. If you want to see what another date night, one meal a day looks like, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, and ciao.